And the best way to do that is to breathe, to get in nature, to allow yourself to connect. Just witness everything around you. You'll notice that you'll look at individual things, like right now I'm looking at the ants that crawl. These individual leaves and plants, these beautiful flowers, exotic bugs, the thunder, the clouds that are moving in the air, birds that are flying by. And then you can shift this awareness to have what I would call a bird's eye view, a bird's eye perspective.
Yeah. Nature reflects your internal state. Right? When a shaman works with nature, they're not escaping themselves, going out to nature, they're seeing themselves more clearly. For example, sitting in stillness, you become aware of your internal noise. Being in a storm, you recognize your own inner intensity, for example, or watching cycles, the day and the night, the seasons. You understand your own cycles.